Let's start today's tutorial of Canva series, and in today's video we are going to animate products. So let's start. Let's search Canva. After that this. Now we are in the Canva home page. So here let's go to the video icon. After that let's click here Facebook video. It's a square format video. So let's click this. It will be best for advertising any product. Now we are going to animate a product. For example, let's think if you are advertising a shoe, maybe. Search, not template, elements. Everyone, let's start today's tutorial of Canva series, and in today's video we are going to animate products. So let's start. Let's search Canva. After that this. Now we are in the Canva home page. So here let's go to the video icon. Shoes, graphics, photo. We are searching for shoes, right? Why there? Oh, this is nice. Free shoes, nice. Shoes or sneakers? Sneaker. These yellow shoes. Graphics. How is it? Nice. We can change the color if you don't like. Do you want to make it blue with yellow stripes? Let's change it and let's check. Maybe blue. Oh, nice. And this the stripes. Yellow. Yellow. Not happening. I think it's good. Better. So what we have to do now, let's take here I'm telling you one hack how to let's take a circle. Just press, without selecting any object or any element, just press C, you will get a circle. Now just change the color of the circle. Let's make it some vibrant color like this. Okay, now just make it duplicate and change the color of the duplicate. Which color shall we make? Something like purple, yeah, pink, no, different shade. This one, cobalt blue. Let's duplicate and I can change the color to white. White, or this one, this color. Nice. Now I'm going to tell you another thing. We have to arrange it, right? Do not just one way to arrange it is separate like this, and after that you can just click on each, and like in this you can just click here and send back. This you can do one thing, but another way is here without clicking. Here just click here, here position, after position layers here are there. Now what you have to keep, this is the background, this you cannot change. Means you cannot take the background onto it. Okay, without this all the fours you can change. For example, first we have to keep this red one. If let's test, so you have to just take this red one to the first. Oh sorry, you just have to do like this, it will be exchanged. After that like this. Okay, first red one. After that, so you just do one thing like this, like this. Did it? First the red one. After that, sorry, again position, here everything is there. I have red one, I want to, I don't know, let's keep this one. So Just take it here. Sorry, just a minute. Let's take this to this place, and again do like this, do like this. Okay, and again just click here, position here. After that, okay, now it's on the top. Understood how you can do it easily. Separately doing also you can do that, but that will take a little more time, and it's easy. Okay, got it. Now the shoe, we have to bring the shoe to the top. Got it? So do you like it here? Position is perfect. Arrange, middle, center. Okay. Is it okay? Or shall we just take it a little up? No, little right. Let's check it. Just click that on the shoe. Let's arrange top. No, left. No, middle. Middle okay. Middle center. Middle center okay. Bottom right. Let's rotate this a little. Is it okay? Or shall we not rotate? No, it's perfect. Just we need to take it a little up, little here. Okay, now let's just animate, group it, and animate, group animation. Is it good? This. Which one is good? Pop. I think pop is better. Breathe. This one. Neon. Skateboard. Is it good? Stump. I think stump is good. Don't you think? Both. So stump is good if you want to change anything. No, I think it's good. After that, let's change the background color. Let's make it a little colorful. Let's take the combination colors like this. Is it good? No. This. No. This. No. This. No. This. I think white is the perfect thing. Or a lime green. This is the color of the season. No. This is good. I think. Let's make a little lighter shade of this lime green. Is it good? No. This color, this shade of lime green is good. Now let's check our animation. It's perfect, I think, for any advertisement. Shall we? No, it's good. Bye guys. This, which one is good? Pop. I think pop is better. These.